Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Dollar Tree haul. So if you want to see what I picked up, what's going on, just keep on watching. I do have a couple of products from TJMAXX, also a few from Target, and then the rest is Dollar Tree or history, if you will. So if you want to see what I picked up, what's going on, just keep on watching. First product is really random. The first couple products are random. So this is from TJMAXX. I just want to show you guys the perfume that I bought yesterday. This is so cute. This is the Element Edition 2 Rose Quartz perfume. Look at the packaging, girl. Stunning. And this was $16.99 at TJMAXX. This definitely gave me Victoria's Secret bombshell vibes, girl. So run to TJMAXX if that was your favorite. It smells exactly the same. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It smells so good. So if you're on the hunt for something affordable that smells exactly like that, it's going to give you the nostalgia vibes, definitely go pick this up, girl. This is so nice. Also love the packaging, but also price point is not too bad. Also just smells amazing. So love. Came across these LA Girl products at TJMAXX. What did that sound wrong? So this was $4.99 at TJMAXX. The LA Girl Dazzle and Daze Beau-phoria highlighter. This is so cute. Again, $4.99. Then I also did come across the LA Girl Glowing Glamour Beau-phoria Duo Bronzer. Also $4.99 at TJMAXX. So I thought these were beautiful. So I did go ahead and pick these up. Let's go ahead and get in here and see how these swatch and everything. But girl, these are stunning. I've never seen these, and you guys know I love LA Girl products. So let's get in here and see what's going on. There's a look at that outside the packaging. It's like really nice and thin. So this one is in the shade Dazzle and Daze. The imprint is everything, girl. If you hear my dog, girl, he's barking. I don't know why. There's a swatch of that one. That is so cute. And then let's go ahead and look at this one. Also beautiful imprint. Comes with 2 different shades, which I'm just going to end up mixing together. But yeah, there's the swatches of those. Love. Definitely cannot wait to use these on the face. We ended up going to Target. Why do I keep saying CVS? Target, and I was in desperate need of more nail glue. So I did go ahead and pick up the Kiss nail glue. However, they didn't have the one that I usually purchase, which is the pink one. They only had the green. They also had the green on Amazon for some reason. This is the Max Speed nail glue, and I've never used the green one, so hopefully it works. But I did go ahead and buy this as well. So let me go ahead and get in here and grab this and put it in my little collection of nail products. This is so cute. So cannot wait to see how this works for me. Have you used it? Please let me know, because I've never used this green one. So we're gonna see how this goes. But each one was like $1 and change at Target. I did go ahead and buy 3 of those. And lastly, for Target, I did go ahead and pick up this mini like travel shaver. This is so cute, and it's by the brand Athena Club. It says it on the actual product. This was $9.99 supposedly, and now it's on clearance for $4.99. But I just thought it was so cute. It's the most beautiful little shaver. I've purchased one from, it was Glam like last year or something, and it was so cute, but it had to go because it was just old. So I did see this one, and I will be going to Vegas soon, hopefully. So I thought I can take this with me because, girl, that's stunning. It has a cute little cloud packaging and everything. So let's get in here. That is so cute. Again, a cute little cloud vibe, and then you get the little shaver on the inside. That is so cute. Lovely. That is adorable. Yes. To break it, girl. That is so cute. It did not break. It's durable. Okay, love. Now we can get into Dollar Tree products. So let's talk about the face mask first before we get into all the makeup and stuff. We have 2 face masks from Onsoi. Oh wow, I don't even know if I said that right. Onsoi. So I did go ahead and pick 2 of these Onsoi Bubble Blast Oxygen Bubble Face Mask. It says it has collagen, it's revitalizing, boosts elasticity, brightens adult skin, and improves skin texture, and it was made in Korea. So I went ahead and bought 2 of these here, and they look to be sheet masks. So I hope that's true. Like a little sheet in the back, so I hope so, but love. Well, I don't know if I love, but I hope I love. They also do have a if you've seen on socials, a Alice in Wonderland collection. Super random, but I did come across this little collection, and the first thing that I saw were the bath sponges. Each one was $125, as everything in this video is. The first pink one has the little like Alice on it. That is so cute. So I picked up one for me and one for my sister. I went ahead and picked her up the cat, the treasure cat, what is it, Chesmeyer cat, and again $125 for this one as well. So I did go ahead and pick up these two. How cute. So random, but like, you know, it's still adorable. They also did have quite a few glosses, so I went ahead and picked up 3 of them. Well, there's only 3 available, but the first one is the Alice in Wonderland Golden Afternoon lip gloss. It has high shine, long lasting, and ultra hydrating. I don't know who the actual like brand is, but they're just available at Dollar Tree randomly. I don't know why, but lovely. Love this. This is adorable. I wish I could keep it in the packaging forever because this is so cute. So definitely admire it, because we're gonna get in here and swatch it. There's a look at the gloss. Again, this is the Alice one, and it just says Disney. Oh, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that because I've been swatching a lot. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Doesn't really smell like anything, but okay girl, really nice and pigmented. We also have this one, the Alice in Wonderland I'm Late Shimmer Lip Gloss. It has shine, long lasting, ultra hydrating as well. Let's take a moment. So cute. Alice in Wonderland has always freaked me out. It's just the cartoon as a kid. I was just like always like, what's going on? Where are you? What's happening? But it's actually a really cute moment. It's a really cute, you know, aesthetic. Not my favorite Disney movie. I think it's cute. It just kind of scares me because I still don't know what's going on. Is it a dream? Like, why is she dreaming these things? It's just really weird. Okay, Alice in Wonderland Shimmer Lip Gloss looks like so. Now this one doesn't have the picture of the rabbit. It just has some flowers on it, which I think is interesting, but the rabbit is on the thing. But anyway, so just be aware of that. Yeah, this is a shimmer version. This is so pretty. These are definitely super high shine, girl. Let me smell this one. No smell. Lastly, for the Alice in Wonderland collection, we have this one, which is just their lip gloss. Looks like so. Let's go ahead and admire the packaging before we open it. So cute. This is a like little tube gloss. There's a look at that. How cute. I love the color too. Love. Oh, that was a lot. Don't squeeze it too hard. There's a look at the pink one. That is adorable. All the shades are beautiful, but this one, yes. It's like really pigmented though, so be careful. How cute is that collection? Again, who asked for this? But then thank you for asking whoever did, because this is so cute. Love. Let's go into the more random like repurchase moment. We have the LA Colors eye marker. I did go ahead and repurchase it in the shade black because I think I ran out of this product. I don't remember if I still have it. If I do, it's just really old, so I shouldn't have it, but I doubt it's in my collection anymore because I hadn't seen these at Dollar Tree any longer, and I did come across them yesterday again, as I mentioned. So did go ahead and pick this up. The eye marker from the Dollar Tree is actually really nice, just a little watery, but it's still cute. Now wait to try this again. I also did go ahead and repurchase the Be Pure blurring pressed powder. This is part of their essentially ageless line. However, I've never seen the transparent version, so I did go ahead and pick up this one because I do have their like medium one, but this is just transparent. I literally have never seen this. I don't know if it's been around or whatever, but I did go ahead and purchase this so we can try it out together. It looks really pigmented, but oh girl, I'm almost, goodness gracious, I almost broke that. Yeah, we're gonna try this out together and we'll see what happens, girl. I have a B Color liquid blush in the shade Party Pink, and this is long lasting and highly pigmented color, and this is actually the only color they had at my Dollar Tree, so love it. Love that they're coming out with more stuff. Also, if you love Dollar Tree, I did do a almost 1 hour video doing a walkthrough. We went to 10 different Dollar Tree locations. I also did include a Hot Topic run and a CVS run in that video. So if you want to see that, that's going to be in the Dollar Tree playlist. So also did include a giant haul. How do I have more stuff? I don't know. So there's a close-up look at that. How cute is this packaging? Again, this was the only shade they had. Okay, Dofa is cute. I like that it's long. The shade is cute. Okay, nice pinky moment. It looks like it's gonna be matte vibes. It doesn't look too glistening or anything. No smell either. Okay, interesting how the products have not been scented. That's actually really good because a lot of people are either allergic or sensitive to types of smells and fragrances and stuff. So yeah, doesn't really have a scent to it from what I can tell. So really cute. Love the color as well. So we'll see how this works. All right, let's get into the, I believe you say it, Mercerie products. So they have a whole collection of things at the Dollar Tree right now as we speak. So the first product I came across was the eyeliner pencil. It says this is self-sharpening, no mess, twist up and self-sharpening pencil. Okay, said it twice. Eyeliner pencil, highly pigmented, smooth and long lasting. This is a twist and sharpen kind of product, and it is in the shade black, which I thought was really intriguing, that the actual like packaging is like this beautiful green moment, but the actual liner is black. I love that because this type of color I don't use a lot, so I love that the actual liner is black. So there's a look at that. You don't see that often at Dollar Tree. Okay, Mercerie, I keep saying it wrong, I don't know. It's just like came out of nowhere with all this stuff. I love it. There's a swatch of the eyeliner, and I wasn't pressing too hard, but it's actually nice and pigmented. Not as black as I thought, but it's still cute. Nice like twisting moment. Love that. Next, I did come across a liquid liner from them. This is the high definition liquid liners, highly pigmented, all day wear formula, long lasting, in the shade black. It says it is defined lines, applies smoothly with full control, and dip liner vibes. Ooh, okay girl, they did not come to play. That is so nice. Cannot wait to try this along with all the other stuff that I bought. I went ahead and purchased 2 mascaras from this line as well. We have a black mascara as well as a waterproof one. So again, Mercerie waterproof black mascara, and then we have their just black mascara, which is this green one, which matches the liner. That is so cute. So they do come with different type of wands. So the non-waterproof comes with this wand, and then the waterproof comes with a more like straight kind of wand. Love that they came out with a waterproof version. Again, not something that Dollar Tree really comes out with, like LA Colors or the brands that they carry. They should just come out with normal mascara. So I'm really intrigued that they came out with a waterproof. Love that all the information is on the actual component. You guys don't know how rare that is. This is the waterproof mascara, which the wand is giving very Dollar Tree vibes. We see this type of wand all the time, but we're gonna see how this works because again, waterproof. And then we have this one, which is just a regular black mascara in this green packaging, green blue moment, and this one is definitely curved. Again, very much Dollar Tree vibes. We always see these type of wands as well. So they actually did have a huge variety of concealers. I was shocked because you guys know the Dollar Tree usually carries light, medium, dark, but this brand went up and beyond, above the bar, girl, like way above. They came out with so many shades. I'm gonna have it on the screen. I did do it like a haul, little like finds clip for my socials, so definitely check that out if you saw it. You guys know there were so many of these. I had them laid out, and then there was like all types of colors from the lightest of light to the darkest of dark. Now I think they could have done a little better in the medium colors because I didn't really find a shade that would be too great for my concealer, but we're gonna see how these work. So these are again the Mercerie full coverage concealers. These are effortlessly blendable with full coverage, light and creamy, brightens, covers blemishes and dark under eye circles. This one here is in number 115, so I hope this is not too light for me. And then I also did pick up the same product in a deeper shade because I do want to cream bronze with this one in the shade 119. This looks really light, girl. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay, nice doe-foot applicator vibe. I might have to go back. It's because the one under this just looks so dark and this looks so yellow vibes, but we're gonna try it out. Maybe it'll work, who knows. So far really pigmented, so we'll see how that works on the actual face. And then we have the shade that I'm gonna cream bronze with, which comes with a doe foot applicator like so, kind of slanted vibes. And there's a swatch of that shade, which is the one in, I believe, 119. I don't get the number on the product, so I'm just gonna have to remember that. Cute. Lastly, they came out with 2 eyeshadow palettes at the Dollar Tree, which look like so. We have a more neutral one and more like cool tone, and then one with like more warm tone vibes. So I did go ahead and pick up both of them. So this one here is in number 525, which the number is right here. And these are the only 2 I came across. And then we have the 524, which is the cool tone. There's a look at the 2 eyeshadow palettes. How cute. There's the first one. I love that they're nice and thin. That is adorable. Look at the shades. Let's go ahead and swatch a couple. This shimmer's Calling My Name. Just a couple swatches of this palette. Love already. Cannot wait to try this out. This shade is nice and pigmented. Love it. And then we have the cool toned one, which honestly doesn't really look like it has too many shimmers, just one. There's a couple swatches of the cool toned one. Stunning. Love that shimmer. Beautiful. So that was actually the last product in today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Did you pick up any of these products? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to follow me, turn on the bell notifications. But also I do have a playlist, which, did I mention that already? I don't know. It's going to be in the description box below. Definitely check it out. If you love Dollar Tree, you're going to love this channel. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.